We ordered some wood spot online and we expected to receive something nice and good, but we received these trashes. All they were bended, curved, and damaged. Watch till the end of this video to see what we built out of this trash.
How do you build a straight wall with crooked timber? In the last video, I told you about our new workshop and how we wanted to create a room here that could be used as our office and also a place to chill. To build a timber wall, the first thing we needed was some studs and noggings. So we measured everything and did all the cutting. The standard spacing between studs can vary from around 40 to 60 centimeters, depending on how much weight the wall needs to carry. Since our wall wouldn't be carrying much weight, just one door, and our studs were also quite curved, we decided to use fewer studs. We went with 58 centimeters in between, but we added more noggings to make the wall stable and sturdy. We tried our best to find the least curved stud to build the wall frame on the floor. Ideally, it would have been easier to attach the top and bottom of the frame to the wall and ceiling first. But because our studs weren't straight, we decided to build everything on the floor, so we could correct the curves more easily. To straighten the curved studs, my husband first attached one side of the stud to the frame. Then he used some noggings to fix the spacing between the studs. After that, he used clamps to straighten the curved stud and attach it to the next one. We repeated the same steps for all the wood studs, nailing the studs, attaching the noggings, using clamp to fix the curves, and then screwing all the parts. Now the frame is done, but the real transformation is just getting started. Stay with us because there is still a lot to build before this becomes our office.